Yo, what's up everybody? It's Nicholas. AI, it's not just changing the world, it's changing how we can make money in the world. I'm talking about practical, accessible side hustles that anyone can start using AI right now to earn some extra cash. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI-powered side hustles that are low on barrier to entry, but high on earning potential. Stay tuned because I'm not just going to tell you about these side hustles, I'm going to show you how they work, how to get started, and most importantly, how to actually make money with them. Let's get it. First up, let's talk about one of the hottest applications of AI right now, content creation. Creating high-quality content takes time, effort, and let's be real, some serious writing chops. That's where AI swoops in with the assist. AI writing tools like ChatGPT are absolute game changers. Need a blog post about the latest tech trends? ChatGPT's got you. Social media captions, email newsletters, you name it, ChatGPT pumps out high-quality copy in minutes, not hours. Just give ChatGPT some basic prompts like your topic and desired tone, and it'll generate creative, engaging content that's tailored to your needs. Now here's where you come in. While AI is great at generating the raw material, it's your human touch that's going to elevate that content from good to great. Think of yourself as the editor, the curator, the one who adds that final layer of polish and personality that makes your work stand out from the AI-generated crowd. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with businesses looking for talented writers. Highlight your ability to blend AI efficiency with human creativity. That's how you command higher rates and build a loyal client base that keeps coming back for more. Okay, so maybe writing isn't your thing. Maybe you're more of a visual person. Well, good news. AI's got you covered in the design department too. Gone are the days when you needed to master complex software like Photoshop to create stunning visuals. With AI-powered design tools, anyone can become a graphic design wizard almost overnight. We're talking about tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 2, which can generate original, high-quality images from simple text descriptions. It's literally as easy as typing in what you want to see. Say, a futuristic robot holding a smartphone against a neon cityscape background, and boom, the AI works its magic, generating multiple variations of your vision in seconds. Experiment with different prompts, play around with the various customization options, and don't be afraid to let your creativity run wild. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand the nuances of these tools and the more unique and impressive your designs will become. Create a portfolio showcasing your best AI-generated designs and start pitching your services to businesses in your niche. You can also join freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to connect with potential clients from around the world. Alright, let's switch gears for a second and talk about a side hustle that's perfect for all you language enthusiasts out there. Remember those tedious days of manually transcribing audio recordings or struggling to translate documents? Yeah, those days are over, thanks to the power of AI. AI-powered transcription and translation tools have become so incredibly accurate and efficient that they're practically like having a personal assistant who speaks every language fluently. We're talking about tools like Otter.ai, which can transcribe hours of audio or video recordings in minutes, and Google Translate, which can translate between over 100 languages with impressive accuracy. You can offer your services as an AI-powered transcriber to podcasters, YouTubers, businesses, researchers, anyone who needs audio or video content converted into text format. And if you're bilingual or multilingual, you can add even more value by offering translation services. Use your human skills to provide a premium service that goes beyond the basic AI output. This extra level of attention to detail is what will set you apart from the competition and allow you to charge premium rates for your services. Add timestamps, speaker identification, and any other relevant formatting that might be helpful for your clients. Let's face it, not everyone is comfortable hearing their own voice, let alone recording it for professional projects. But that shouldn't hold you back from creating amazing content, especially with the rise of AI-powered voiceover tools. These tools have become so good, so realistic that it's often difficult to distinguish them from actual human voices. Imagine being able to create engaging voiceovers for explainer videos, YouTube videos, online courses, even audiobooks, all without ever having to step foot in a recording studio. That's the power of AI voiceover technology. There are tons of AI voiceover tools available today, each offering a unique set of features and voices. Some platforms even offer different accents and languages, allowing you to cater to a global audience. Simply type in the text you want to be narrated, choose your preferred voice and settings, and the AI will generate a high-quality voiceover in minutes. You can even fine-tune the pacing, emphasis, and intonation to get the perfect delivery for your message. Make sure you understand the commercial usage rights for the voices you choose. Once you've got the licensing sorted, it's time to start promoting your AI-powered voiceover services to the world. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work, highlighting the different voices and styles you offer. Let's talk social media, the lifeblood of the digital age. But managing social media, whether it's for your own brand or for clients, can feel like a full-time job. Constantly coming up with fresh content, scheduling posts, engaging with your audience. It's a lot to juggle, right? Well, guess what? AI is here to take the stress out of social media management and help you become a true social media guru, all while reclaiming your precious time. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT and Buffer's AI Assist, which can help you generate engaging captions, schedule posts across multiple platforms, and even analyze your audience's engagement patterns. Imagine being able to plan and execute an entire social media strategy with the help of AI, freeing up your time to focus on the bigger picture. The AI then uses this data to generate content ideas, craft compelling captions, and even suggest optimal posting times based on your audience's activity patterns. These tools can also track your social media performance, providing valuable insights into what's working and what's not. You'll get data on your reach, engagement, and even audience demographics, allowing you to fine-tune your strategy and maximize your impact. While AI can handle the heavy lifting of social media management, it's important to remember that social media is all about building relationships. So, while the AI is busy scheduling posts and analyzing data, make sure you're present and engaged with your audience. The beauty of this side hustle is that it's highly scalable. So there you have it. 5 AI-powered side hustles that can help you unlock new income streams and level up your financial game. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and accessible side hustle opportunities emerge. The key is to stay curious, embrace the possibilities, and never stop learning. The future of work is here, and it's powered by AI. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more ways to earn money and master AI, and let me know in the comments, which AI side hustle do you want to try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.